Yeah, I told you this morning I got a new tool for cutting up the branches. As you can see, I've got about half of them, actually a little more than half, done already. But I've got the hardest, the oak. Those branches are hard to break off, the little ones, and it's got to feed straight into the chipper. And if the branches are in the way, of course, they stop it. So I picked up this. It's a little 4-inch saw, uh, 28 volt, and that's what's going to help me instead of having to break them all off or use one of the big gas mowers, yeah. The gas saws that I have, those things are a bugger. So I can just take this thing and cut the branches off. Simple as that. It's cool. That's going through there. Yeah. It'll cut up to 3 inches. Probably more if you worked around it, but I'm not going to have to do that. I just want to cut this stuff if it's straight. Works pretty darn good. 28 volts. That'll work.